How to draw a skeleton hand, step by step. So for the first step of drawing our skeleton hand, we're going to begin right here on the bottom of the page. We're going to make 3 small bones. This will be the base of the hand. We're going to make sure that we connect each one of these bones. If you're not yet a member of the Learn How to Draw Hub crew, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. This means that you'll stay up to date on all the latest drawing tutorials every single day. Now on the top of the row that we just made, we're going to make a whole second row. We're going to add in a total of 4 more small bones on the top of what we just made. At the end of the video, we're going to use a gray marker to help add detail to our drawing. Nice job! Next up, we're going to begin to draw the fingers. We're going to begin on the left hand side with the left finger. The first bone will be the longest. Awesome! We're going to add in 3 more small bones on the top of the one that we just made. The top bone that we're about to draw right now will come to a curved point. So far, this is coming along very well. Now we're going to move a little bit to the right and we're going to begin to draw the second finger. Keep in mind at the end we'll have a total of 5. The middle finger will be the longest. Just like how I did on the last finger, we're going to add in a total of 3 more bones on this finger. Now we will make the tip, which will be a little bit longer than the last. Awesome job! Now we can make the third finger, also known as the middle finger. Just like I previously mentioned, this will be the longest finger. Moving a little bit to the right, we're going to begin to draw the pointer finger, which will be shorter than the middle finger, but will be longer than the thumb. Fantastic job. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Now we're going to move right here on the bottom, and we're going to begin to make the thumb, which will have a total of 3 bones. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw a skeleton's hand. If you want to see more videos just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Now stick around so we can call it our drawing together. And if this video helped you out, be sure to give it a big like. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.